Hello everyone, Javkom Krastovici here. I'm not going to force you to say my full channel name, so you can call me Jav. Uh, I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make uh, custom resolutions, or the best way to make custom resolutions. Now, before I start, there is a disclaimer I'm going to make. You might break your monitor if you're not careful, and also I'm not responsible for any of the damages that may occur, so keep that in mind. But if you're using custom resolutions, you're probably also damaging your monitor and you don't really care about it. So today I'm going to be showing you the best way to do it. So I'm going to be using a program called CRU, or Custom Resolution Utility. You can download it from this website here. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So go to this website. It's a very great utility created by ToastyX. And you can download the zip file where it says download here. We don't need the source. If you really want, you can go and support him, because this is, as he says here, it's hard work to make this application, and it would be great if you guys go and support him. Now, go and click on the download here, the zip file, and after you have downloaded it, save it. And here I'm going to open it, and what I want you to do here is extract it. You can download 7-zip and you can extract the file, or maybe WinRAR, and you should get these files. Okay, so I'm going to explain what these files here are later, but don't look at them for now. All we want to do here is click on cru.exe, open it. I'm going to and you're going to be presented with this very simple, very actually complicated looking menu here, and you're probably freaking out and you don't know what is happening, but don't worry, it's actually not that hard. I'm going to show you. So first things first, we gotta find which display is the correct one. So if you have more than one display, you gotta know the display's name. If you don't know the name, you can click on the start menu, right click on the start menu, actually, start menu button, go into settings, display, and here you can go to advanced display settings and you can see the name of the display. And you have to make sure that it says active here, because as you can see, the name is, there are two names that are the same, but this one says active. You want to click on that. Now, here I'm going to click none, because I don't want any of these resolutions. If you want one of these, you can try them. But here I'm going to be making a custom resolution for Fortnite. So find where the refresh rate of your monitor is. So if you don't see it in this list here, you see less than the refresh rate of your monitor. Go down here, click on this and click edit, and you might find it here. And then what we're gonna do is click on it, click edit, copy this. Then I'm going to delete this one under it. I'm going to also delete this one, and click add, then click paste here up at the top. I'm going to here I'm going to type the custom resolution. So I'm going to be using 1750 by 1080. This is Mongrel's resolution. what I've seen online. I might be wrong. And down here, type the refresh rate of your monitor in hertz. Click OK. Don't delete anything here. You want to come down here and then delete all of these. Delete all. Oh, reset. You want to delete these up here. Delete all. And click OK. After you've done that, you can click OK here. Now, because I'm going to be changing the resolution, my screen is going to flicker. So it's going to flicker and also the recording will stop. So I'll be right back. But before that, I'm going to explain what these files are. These files are backups of the resolutions. So if I click here and open it again, I can click export and I can name the file. I have it already here. And if, for example, next time you want to change your resolution, you just click here, open this, click import, and just import that resolution. And it's going, and all the settings will be saved as is. Now, keep in mind, when you have to click on this restart 64.exe, this is not going to restart your PC. Don't worry. It's going to restart the monitors. Now, keep in mind that some monitors won't be happy with the custom resolution you have made. So they might become black and never turn on. So don't panic. That doesn't mean the display is broken. This means that it just didn't like the resolution. So here's what to do. If this happens and your display becomes black and doesn't come back on, you start pressing F8, start spamming the button F8, and it should come back. And then after that, you can go and try to troubleshoot the issue and check for solutions on how to fix it. Or maybe you can try and use another resolution. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hang on. Okay, I am back. So right now my monitor is stretched. I'm using stretched resolution. I'm going to show you and to open settings here. As you can see, the whole display becomes smaller. And this is the part where I explain why it's better to do it this way. As you know, when you do a custom resolution from the NVIDIA control panel, this active signal resolution stays as the resolution of your monitor. It doesn't change, which is a problem. If it doesn't change here, your monitor will look blurry when you play games, and it won't look good when you stream. So it's not a good. It's not a pleasant experience, in my opinion. It looks very bad. So when you do this, and with this application, it also changes the signal resolution, both to the same. And what this does is it makes it look much sharper, much nicer. Okay, so after you click restart 64, there is a few things to do before the resolution is set, because when you do restart 64.exe, the resolution is not going to be set automatically. What you have to do is go in here and go into System, Display, and then choose the correct display, and then change to the correct resolution. And after you've changed, it might not be set correctly even after that. So click on Advanced Display and choose 144 Hz or how many hertz your monitor has. If your monitor has more, choose the highest one here. If the highest one doesn't come up here, it means you didn't do something in the application itself. Okay, so that's all for that, for the explanation. Also, if you have set something in the NVIDIA control panel, Like, for example, if you have any custom color adjustments and custom color settings, they might get reset. As you can see, my ones got reset. So you might have to change them again. And also, if you have any like here, and you have use NVIDIA color settings, this might get reset to use default color. So you might have to change that as well. If the resolution doesn't get stretched even after you've done all of this, that means it's set to no scaling here, and you have to bring it back to aspect ratio. So that's what you have to do. Okay, I'm going to do a gameplay demonstration, but first I have to stop the recording to set it up for the game. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and I'm in the game. As you can see, it's stretched. It might not look like it in the video, but really it's stretched. It's a very light stretched resolution, so it's not going to show that much. But as you can see, much higher quality. I'm going to start a match here and show you how it is in game itself. Here. Okay, I'm in the game right now. As you can see, the character is a little bit bigger, a little bit more stretched. Now you can use, I'm sure there are higher stretched resolutions, but as you know, Fortnite made it so that instead of your character becoming bigger when you use stretched resolutions, the game zooms in instead of zooming out. So it's not the best thing to use stretched resolutions with Fortnite anymore. But if you still want to use stretched resolutions and you want to stream and have higher quality or record how I'm recording right now, this is the best way to do it. And yeah, I'm gonna just land here, play for a little bit. I'm using high settings and I'm getting 110 FPS right now because I'm also recording this, so I'm gonna get less FPS. But if I'm not recording, I get the maximum FPS that I usually get because I lock my FPS. And yeah, I'm using DirectX 12 because I play Save the World, and when you play on performance mode you cannot go into Save the World. There's a guy up there. Try and get him. I don't have any materials. I'm not great at this game. Okay. Okay, I got this guy. Or maybe a girl, I don't know. It was a girl skin. Harley Quinn. Okay. Okay, so I think you saw enough of this. I guess let's kill this guy too. Kill this guy too. Okay. Okay, so this is enough. I'm going to be right back because I need to explain some more things. Okay.
Congratulations, mate.
Okay, I'm back. The last thing I want to show you is how to set it up for recording and streaming purposes. I'm going to move my OBS here. And the way you set this to work, you go into settings and then go to video and make sure that you don't change this resolution before you change the stretched resolution. And if you change to the new resolution, to the stretched resolution, don't change this. Keep it, just don't touch it. Don't touch here anything. Keep it as it is. Don't change any settings here. That's the last thing I wanted to say, because it's going to make it worse. Okay, so that was it. I hope this video was helpful. I'm working on improving quality, and I think I've improved the visual quality and also the audio quality as well. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.